I'm doing it. Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, this is my backyard tour. Round 40,291,810,000. Yes, guys, rocking that new Just Do It shirt, which is, this is my new merch I got already. So yes, this is one of the new merch. Just haven't worn it in a while. So yes. Got the trampoline right there. Bam. Yes, guys, it's gonna storm. See, guys? Yeah. We gotta hurry up. So, film crew, can you, your cameras? They're working? Okay. Just make sure. Making sure. This is my practice. This is my practice facility, 20 by 20. Actually, no. This is my practice field. This is my practice facility. This is my practice field, 28 by 28. Here's the open practice field right here. Bam. Yeah, guys, it's gonna storm. We gotta hurry up. Oh, God! 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 Yeah, guys, it's gonna storm. Look at that. It's gonna storm. Hurricane right here. We gotta move to Calabasas. Guys, I am back in Los Angeles. They made us evacuate Seattle, so I'm right here in Los Angeles. So yes. At this rate, or what the storm looks like, guys, I pranked you. I'm not moving anywhere else. I'm here in Calabasas. So yes. Here's the football corridor. Football corridor! Here's the lacrosse golden rebounder. Here's the lacrosse path in 2017. Yes, guys, 2017 is finally here. Thank God. Not 2021. Here's the lacrosse path in 2017. My dad comes through here and mows it with the Cub Cadet or the Husqvarna in 2017. The Husqvarna! Husqvarna! Here's the hot tub and dock box. Here's the spare locker room. Here's the facility. Where's the fire pit, guys? Guys, as you enter the facility, we have extra team space right here. See? Bam. See, guys? There it is. There's extra team space. Bam. So yes, we got we got UW Madison coming up. Yeah, so we got her. So yes, UW Madison. We're a college team now, so we play college teams. So we play UW Madison this week. So yes, just practice though. We can't do games because of coronavirus. So yes. There's, guys. There's my dad's tractor right there. Bam. There it is. Bam. There's the hallway that we walk down every single day. And yes, guys, no practice this week because of a storm delay. Oh, gosh. Good. God. Oh, hippie, 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 hubba, 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 hubba. Here's our game field in 2017. There's the trailer there's the drive down and drive out for the 2017 Ford F-150. My dad's 2017 Ford F-150. I can do whatever year I want, so it's my channel. And yes, guys, I have a fight coming up. I will not be in training tomorrow, so I have to fight Dylan Dennis tomorrow. I think. I'm not sure, but I think that's on the list. So yeah, on the roster. Here is the Kubota Fun Zone right here. See, here's the Kubota Fun Zone. See, bam. Here's the bridge, guys. We're gonna take care of that in a few weeks. Here's our sideline. See, guys? Bam. That's where they connected, which is, I don't know why, but they did. Who cares? I don't care. They can come on the Calabasas property. I don't really care. I'm not gonna fight with them. There it is, guys. We'll get after that in a few weeks. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Guys, we're under construction right now. So, yes. All that will get cleared. Bam. Yes, guys, we're going to go behind the berm. See, guys, all that will get cleared, too. There it is. Going in. There it is, guys. There's the berm. Bam. All that straw up there. There's the bank I ran down. Yes, guys, it's gonna snow. Guys, wait. It's gonna snow, I guarantee you. Friday's supposed to rain, we're gonna get snow. In Calabasas. Don't care about all the other people in Seattle. They can get snowed under. But I'm not saying any words that will offend my YouTube. So yes, gotta be very careful about public strict words. So yes. There's the shed, guys. Yes, guys, I have no school tomorrow. I go to the Calabasas Community School. There's the, there's where the Cub Cadets go. See, guys? Bam. All that is nice and cleaned right now. Hopefully it does not get wet and rained. Yes, guys, that lawn mower, my mower there, has a dead battery, so we'll get that fixed. So yes. Here is the party recreation area. So yes, see that? That's the party recreation area. Bam, all that space there. There's the bank, guys, way out there. There it is, behind me, bam. There it is. Bam.